student. Today we will be learning about the cardiovascular agents. So they are the drugs which are able to alter the cardiovascular function. They affect either the heart or the circulation. Five categories of cardiovascular drugs, namely cardiac, glycoside, diarrhythmic, antihypertensive, vascular, and liver, are being classified as the cardiovascular agents. The diuretic and anticoagulants are also useful in treating some of the cardiovascular disease. Firstly, we will learn about the cardiac glycosides. So, cardiac glycosides are found widely in nature from both plant and animal sources. The plant sources are Digitalis, Digitalis lineata, and Digitalis purpurea, the Strophanthus gratus, and Strophanthus combe. Then comes the squirrel, Sella maritima, and lily of the valley, Convallaria majalis. The animal source is the poison of toad, which is also known as bufo. Cardiac glycoside improve the function of the heart by increasing the force and efficiency of the heart muscle without a corresponding increase in oxygen consumption. When administered in cardiac congestive heart failure, because of this, there is increased cardiac output. The heart rate comes down because the improved blood pressure due to better cardiac output. The kidney function more efficiently, and diuresis is the result. There is also improved ventilation in the lungs. Cardiac glycoside also slow the heart rate in atrial fibrillation and other arrhythmias. Cardiac glycosides are composed of two portions, a sugar and a steroid nucleus. The sugar component may be made up of one or more sugar. The steroid part is known as the E-glycon. This E-glycon is responsible for the cardiotonic activity of the glycoside. However, the sugar component provide water solubility. In fact, the plant contains glycosides which have sugar residues up to 4. During the extraction process, some of these sugar may be shed due to hydrolysis, and new glycosides with less number of sugars are formed. For example, the official digitalis glycoside digitoxin and digoxin are caught by the hydrolysis of the original glycoside lanatoside A and C. In the case of the plant glycoside, there is a five-membered alpha beta unsaturated lactone ring at position 17 in the steroid or aglycon moiety. The aglycons are also referred to as genin. The aglycons of the digitalis glycosides have the structures given below. As you all can see, these structures are digioxygenin or digitoxygenin. All you can see, there's this AR group. Okay, so if it contains OH, it is known as digoxygenin, and if it contains H, it is known as digitoxygenin. The C17 chain above is an alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. The compounds having this side chain are known as tordinolide, and they occur mostly in plants. In the toad poison, the side chain is a 6-membered lactone ring, and they are known as bufadienolide. The bifadienolides occur in plants belonging to Liliaceae and Ranunculaceae and in toad poison. The sugar are linked with the hydroxyl group in the third position of the genin. The following are the crude drugs and cardiac glycosides official in the IP or BP both. Then come the second category of drug is antiarrhythmic drug. Antiarrhythmic drugs are compounds which are used to correct cardiac arrhythmias in which the heart beats without any rhythm. They act by directly depressing the heart muscle and also by increasing the refractive period between contraction. They may be classified as first one is drug that depress the heart muscle, which include quinidine, procainamide, lignocaine, phenytoin. And third class of drug is antihypertensive. Hypertension is high blood pressure. It may be of two types, primary or essential hypertension, where no definite cause is known for the rise in blood pressure, and secondary hypertension, caused as a secondary effect of renal, endocrine, or vascular disease. If hypertension is left untreated, it may lead to heart, cerebrovascular, and renal complications and premature death. The drug used to lower hypertension act through different mechanisms. Most of them reduce sympathetic vasomotor tone. The classification of antihypertensive include the first one is calcium channel blocker, which include nifedipine. Then comes the beta adrenergic blocker, which has propranolol. Then comes the direct vasodilator, which include hydralazine. And the last one is central sympathetolytics, which include clonidine and methyl dopa. Then the last category of drug is coronary vasodilator. Angina pectoris or the so-called heart attack takes place when the heart muscles or myocardium is starved of oxygen due to blockage of coronary arteries. When there is increased energy demands as during exercise, emotions or coital, attacks are induced. Coronary vasodilators are drugs which dilate the coronary vessel, giving an increased blood supply to the heart muscle. They are also called as anti-anginal drugs. They are classified as nitrate. The first one is ethyl nitrite and glyceride trinitrate. We will learn about ethyl nitrite and glyceride trinitrate today. So ethyl nitrate is a very volatile liquid with a boiling point of 17 degrees. It is colorless or slightly yellowish, clear and inflammable. It has a burning sweet taste and characteristic present ethereal odor. It is decomposed easily when exposed to air, light and moisture. During storage, it slowly decomposes, forming oxides of nitrogen. It is slightly soluble in water, which hydrolyzes it, and more soluble in alcohol and ether. Previously, it was used in the form of spirit of nitrous ether, which is a solution of ethyl nitrite in alcohol. It has long since gone out of use. It is being used as diaphoretic and coronary vasodilator. Then comes the next drug is glyceryl trinitrate, which is also known as nitroglycerin. Glyceryl trinite is formed by the reaction of glyceryl with the nitric acid has the following structure: CH2ONO2, CHONO2, CH2ONO2. The nomenclature include 1 to 3 nitroxypropane. It is official as concentrated glyceryl trinitrate solution and as the tablet. The physical properties include it is a pale yellow, heavy, inflammable oil. It has a sweet burning taste. It explodes when struck with a hammer on overheating. It is slightly soluble in water and soluble in organic solvents such as ether and chloroform. Concentrated glyceryl trinitrate solution is a clear colorless to pale yellow solution which is miscible with acetone and ether. The chemical properties include when concentrated glyceryl trinitrate solution is mixed with ether and a small portion of the resulting solution evaporated to dryness and the residue dissolved in sulfuric acid containing a trace of diphenylamine and intense blue color is produced. The concentrated glyceryl trinitrate solution should be kept in a well-closed container protected from light and stored at 8 degrees to 15 degrees. It is being used as coronary vasodilator. It is used as sublingual tablet. The tablet may also be crushed and spread over the buccal mucosa from where it is absorbed into the circulation within 1 to 2 minutes, terminating an attack. The officials are concentrated crystal trinitrate solution IPVP, crystal trinitrate tablet IPVP. The brand name include NGSAID, Nitromac retard, Angispun TR, Angispun SR, Myovin, Nitromacol, Miluril. Thank you.